Hi guys, Al here. It's been a while since I put up a video. Been down with a herniated disc and been working since then pretty hard. So here's what I've got done so far. I've made up the bars that the supports for the Rads. I used 1/2 inch aluminum rod, and the way I did the ends was I threaded it at 1/2 inch. Then I filed the threads off, and once I got all the threads filed off, it was the right diameter to tap it to 3/8. So it screwed right into here, and nuts there to hold it. So I got those finished, and I also did some changes on my brake pedal. There was not enough leverage with the brake pedal to make the brakes work good, so I've taken care of that as well. And now I am about to make a gas tank for this thing. I had a friend drop me off an old beer keg, and then I just ordered a filler cap and a couple of bungs that I'm going to put in. One for a pickup tube, one for a vent, and then I have a fuel gauge I'm going to put in as well. Oops. Yeah, so the fuel gauge will come in from the back here. The two bungs I'm not sure of yet where they're going to be, but yeah, that fits right in the whiskey barrel. So it's going to be like a Boilermaker, but only backwards. And to weld those in, I'm going to try this stuff here. It's that aluminum solder. All you have to do is get everything really clean, get it up to like 800 degrees, and it solders right in. There's no pressure at all, so it should work fine. And that'll fit right inside of here. And then I also brought the next one home. This is what I'll be doing next. I'm not sure how I'm going to build it yet, or what exactly I'm going to do with it. But for Glenn, this came from Swift Current. So that's right near Glen Miller. And there's no rust on this truck anywhere. A few dings and dents, but yeah. It's got a couple dents up in the back of the roof, but zero rust anywhere. Even the floor is that nice. I think somebody tried to do a patina type paint job or painted it with a brush years ago. I'm not sure, but so it's a 1947 International KB5. So once I get this done, get the fuel tank in it. Got a little bit of woodwork left to do around the windows, and I have a header leak. I kind of knew about this, but I thought I had it plugged up, but no. So what I'm going to have to do, it's in between here is where it's leaking. So I'm just going to cut a chunk out of these two pipes, weld the inside, and then weld the outside back in. Other than that, this thing's running good. Rides really nice. So that's what I've been up to. Oh, and I also have another sticker to put up here from Mike at Desert Rat 2000. I haven't got up to it yet. Been really busy at work, and I was down for a while. I couldn't do much of anything. So I'll get that sticker up and I'll show you that. Getting a pretty good collection going there. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and let your friends know. Almost to 300 subscribers now, so if we could get a few more, that'd be great. And I'll try and post again not so far into the future. Okay, again, thanks for watching.